Gastro Adventures, and I know I'm late for the trend, but it's time for us to visit AgKapiTa in Mangadarang, Pangasinan. Let me just note how beautiful the church is here. I am so in love with historical buildings that I find this old church very attractive, especially with the brickwork. This is the farm area heading to the cafe. So this cafe went viral because it is located in the middle of a rice field. And as you can see, this is the entrance to the cafe. We went here just right after Halloween. So they have these paintings or artworks about mythological Philippine creatures. So I think they've improved a lot since the time that I last saw them on Facebook, because before it wasn't roofed yet and there were wooden tables. Now they have more dining space here and new additions like this building, and there's also food stalls from different food establishments. There is this egg drop stall here where you can order your egg drop sandwiches. We have here Korean food. We also have grill. We also have takoyaki, a famous street food in Japan. And I can't seem to see what's there because, I think it's pretty popular. A lot of people are ordering from them. We have here corn, I think, and another sizzling stall. And there are more, but some of them are still closed or maybe still haven't opened at this hour. I'm pretty much a coffeeholic, so let's go ahead and grab some coffee. So you choose from the items on the board there, place your order, and they'll call you when your order is ready to pick up. So it's self-service, so while you wait, just enjoy the view, take some pictures here on the swing. There's also like a stairway going up here, then you can see the view, like there's like a stairway to heaven or a doorway to heaven, and then you can take a picture right there, like a frame in the background, or maybe you're in the frame. So however you'd like to pose for it, it's up to you. Ordered the white mocha and tried the strawberry shake or frap, and also a slice of blueberry cheesecake. How can you not relax with that view in front of you, right? So just sip your coffee, eat a slice of cake, and relax.